look, I get it. You thought that video was going to go viral on TikTok, but it ain't. TikTok has already said, you know what? Nobody's liking this video, so we ain't going to show it to nobody else. But I implore you right now, don't do that. And this is why you should never delete your TikToks, all right? Now, you're doing comedy on TikTok, you posting your videos, and every time you work hard on it, you're using CapCut or you're using Premiere Pro, and you drop that sucker on TikTok, and it flops, straight up flops down, flops more than the Boston Celtics. Flops more than Vlade Divac. Flops more than Zlatan. If you want to delete it, this is how you delete it. You go ahead, select on it, go through your profile, select that particular video that flopped down, flop daddy. Click on that video, go down to the right where you see the 3 dots, smack them 3 dots like you're Will Smith at the Oscars, and then you will see privacy. Hit that privacy tab, punch that privacy tab like Dave Chappelle did to that dude that attacked him. And then you could select who can view this. It could be everyone, as you see is already selected, or you could select just only me. Only me. So that leaves it private. You can also select delete right there. So you want to delete it, you want to remove it from the face of the earth, you can't. This is why you shouldn't delete your TikToks, man. A lot of times I wait like 4, 6, 18 days, 35 days, maybe 3 months. So what I'll do is, if that person made a comment on an old video and I have a video that's private, that flopped, that is related to that video, I will copy the link and paste it right there under that new comment on my old video, and then unprivate that flop video. There we go. That's how you do it, man. I probably shouldn't be telling you that, but that is how I do it, man, to save a flop video. And then hopefully that person checks it out and give it some life. Give me life. Give me life. Raise it from the dead, man. And you want to learn all these dope little tricks, these little hacks, these little to-dos that I do, the do's that I do, okay, that's too many do's. Then I got an affordable course called a TikTok Hacks course. In this course, I am the only person from TikTok, all right, that has a course on AppSumo. And it teaches you little tricks like that to get more likes, more views on TikTok, man. So check that out in the description below. Super fun. Shouts out to everybody that's been buying it, man. I appreciate it, man. That supports me and this channel here. All right, so definitely keep checking that, man. So this mini course is out there, man. Easy, digestible, and I like to say it's super entertaining. I would like to say that. Would you say that, Rabbit? So, but don't go nowhere. Check out this video